Welcome back to my channel. Today we delve into the fascinating world of evolution, a process that has shaped life on Earth for billions of years. Evolution is the gradual change in the characteristics of species over many generations. This occurs because individuals with certain traits are better adapted to their environment and more likely to survive and reproduce. Imagine a population of beetles with variations in color, some green and some brown. If the environment changes, like the introduction of a new predator that prefers green beetles, the brown beetles have a better chance of survival. Over time, the brown beetles reproduce more, passing on their advantageous color to their offspring. This process, where the environment naturally selects for beneficial traits, is called natural selection. It's a fundamental concept in understanding how life has diversified into the incredible array of species we see today. Natural selection, the driving force of evolution, relies on a few key principles. First, there must be variation within a population, meaning individuals have different traits. This variation arises from random mutations in their genes, the blueprints of life. Second, these traits must be heritable, passed down from parents to offspring. Offspring inherit their parents' traits through genes, ensuring continuity of characteristics. Lastly, there must be differential survival and reproduction. This means individuals with certain traits are more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass on those traits to the next generation. Consider the classic example of giraffes. In a population of giraffes with varying neck lengths, those with longer necks could reach higher leaves, giving them an advantage in times of food scarcity. This advantage allowed them to outcompete their shorter-necked counterparts, surviving longer and reproducing more. Over generations, the genes for longer necks became more common in the giraffe population, leading to the evolution of the long-necked giraffes we see today. This illustrates how natural selection favors traits that increase an organism's fitness or its ability to survive and reproduce in its environment. Charles Darwin, a renowned naturalist, revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth with his theory of evolution by natural selection. During his voyage on the HMS Beagle, Darwin made meticulous observations of plants and animals in diverse habitats, particularly in the Galápagos Islands. He observed finches on different islands with distinct beak shapes, each adapted to the specific food sources available on their respective islands. Some had strong beaks for cracking seeds, while others had slender beaks for probing flowers. Darwin realized that these finches, though geographically isolated, shared a common ancestor. He proposed that over time, natural selection had favored different beak shapes on each island, depending on the available food, leading to the evolution of distinct finch species. Darwin's observations and insights formed the foundation of his groundbreaking book on the origin of species, published in 1859. Understanding evolution is crucial for comprehending the diversity of life and the interconnectedness of all living organisms. It provides a framework for explaining the similarities and differences between species, from bacteria to whales to humans. Evolutionary biology has practical applications in various fields, including medicine, agriculture, and conservation. For instance, understanding how bacteria evolve resistance to antibiotics helps us develop strategies to combat drug-resistant infections. Evolutionary principles guide us in developing sustainable agricultural practices and conserving biodiversity in the face of environmental challenges. By understanding the processes that have shaped life on Earth, we gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and our place within it. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and press the notification button.